guys. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Just wanted to say a big thank you to all of you who already subscribed to my Patreon page. You are all amazing. Thank you so much for that. I'm about to go shopping for my next Persian stew, which I'm gonna make today. I'm gonna take you with me to show you how I do shopping and how I choose my ingredients and vegetables and herbs. This is one of the benefit you get when you subscribe to my Patreon page. Um, you get another benefit when you subscribe is that you get 20% off of my Persian cooking classes, which will be launched very soon. Thank you all so much. Take care and see you soon. What I'm looking for today is aubergine. I always love to use different kind of aubergines. These are really nice. Love it. You can also use this one. Look at these beautiful, colorful tomatoes. Love them. If you follow my page, you know I always love to present my dishes with colorful vegetables and different herbs. Fresh herbs. Love fresh herbs. Very important to use fresh herbs always in the dishes. What I found here, that's a fenugreek leaves. This is the main important ingredients for Gheymeh Bademjoon Stew. If you can't find a fresh one, you can use dried fenugreek leaves, but much less than fresh one. This is one of the ingredients I need, but I have it at home, so we're not gonna buy it now. That's the yellow split we're gonna use in the new dish. So I'm in Turkish supermarket, and I found these lovely cypress aubergines. I don't need so many. Just think I'm happy with these two. Yeah, why not? Hey guys, just wanted to show you what strained yogurt is. I'm in a Turkish shop. They have, as you can see, it says strained yogurt. These yogurts are best for tahchin, and I would highly recommend using this if you can find it. Otherwise, you can always use Greek style yogurt. So these are what I got today. This is what usually this amount of vegetables or fresh herbs, sometimes more, sometimes less, but usually actually there are more I get for every recipe I make. So as you can see now, these are for Gheymeh Bademjoon. So as you can see, I got some different shape and different colors tomatoes. If you follow me, you know I love the colors. I always want to involve all the colors in my presentations and in the dish. I also have here different aubergines. I have that one. I have this one, stripy one. But it's completely up to you. You can always just use that one or just use that one. Doesn't matter. I always love to have different kind of vegetables. This is the fresh garlic I got today, smoked garlic, and I love really this one. Here I have yellow split peas, and I didn't have to buy them. I had them. Let me show you just the packaging. This is from Anjuman, and they have lots of Iranian ingredients that you can always find them in Iranian shop or sometimes in Kurdish or Turkish shop here in the UK. Yeah, you can find them in Middle Eastern shop or Whole Food shop. Um, for example, here in UK we have Holland and Barris. I think they have them as well. For meat, for like most of the Persian stews, I always use lamb leg or lamb shoulder. I didn't buy this one again because I have them in the freezer. So I always buy a whole lamb leg and I cut it to pieces and freeze them for portions of 4 or 2. Just wanted to show you this one. If the meat I have they don't have bones, I get this one. There's a shop called here calls Waitrose, and they're bone marrow, perfect for the stew. I always use them in stew. They give so much flavor to the stew. And I have here fresh herbs. And for this dish, it doesn't have to be. Again, I bought this for presentation and designing my plate and the photo. Okay, that's all for today. And thank you so much, my lovely patrons. And if you have any questions, just give me a shout and hope you enjoyed it. Okay, see you. Bye.